Welcome back to the video series. In this video we are going to talk about inserting pictures and videos into your posts and pages. And since our last video I went ahead and created a few more posts, and if we look at the blog now you can see that there are quite a few posts there and they're just stacked on top of each other. That's how blog pages are. And if we want to add photos to them, then we go to the posts and you can, I'll just do the sample post number 5. So we click on that, we are back at the screen where we actually entered all of the text and all of that. And so you can update things after they are published. You can go back and edit things. So we're going to add a photo. And of course you can do this while you're writing the post too. You don't have to publish it and then go back to it. But in this case, that's what we're doing, is we are editing a published post. So you just put the cursor wherever you want the photo to be, and then you go to Add Media, and you select your files, and we'll do this birthday candle one here. And so we will, if you come down here, you can see that you can choose to have the alignment either left, center, right, or none. And you can put in a link if you wanted to link your picture to something. That's really helpful if, for example, you wanted to create like a page and you wanted to have a buy now button. You could put in, a little graphical button and then have it linked to an order page or something like that. You can choose the size here. There's a few options, but then you can also custom size it, and I'll show you how to do that. So we'll just do full size, and we'll do the center alignment. And so we will just insert into the post, and there is our photo. So if we click update, and then we look at the post, so I'm clicking View Post. I'm going to open that into a new tab. And we're just going to wait for it to show up here. Okay. So you can see that the photo is there. Here is our sentences. So let's just change that around. So if you come back to the post and you click on the photo and then you come up here, well, you can delete it. You can get it out of there. You can edit it. You can also change the alignment really simple just by clicking these buttons. So for example, if you wanted to put it over on the left, you could, and then the wording automatically gets kind of wrapped around the photo. So let's update that. And then we'll refresh our screen over here. So that's how it was when it was centered. We will refresh the screen and you can see how that looks. Let's say we wanted to change the size of it. So click your photo again. This time you're going to have to click on that little pencil guy, and you can use one of these pre-measured sizes here, or you can custom size it if you want to. And you can just put in like one of the pixels and it will automatically adjust the other pixel. So for example, if I put this at 400, it'll automatically adjust the height so that your photo stays looking good. And update. Let's come over here, refresh our screen, and you can see that it did get smaller. So let's take a look at the blog page again. Okay, so I did that in sample post number 5. So it's over on the left hand side here. Things are looking good. So let's talk about videos. So let's go back to our posts. And we'll click this one. So edit that. So let's go over to YouTube. And I just chose this little furry animal video. It's supposed to be funny, I guess. And we will come over to YouTube. We will hit share. I don't want to have just the link to the video. I want to actually have the embed code because I want the video to appear in the blog post. So it's automatically highlighted there. So I'm just going to hit Control C to copy it. I'm going to come back to my blog post, and let's say I wanted to put it here. So I'm actually going to go, this is the visual editor. I'm going to go into the text editor, and I want it to be right before that second paragraph. So I'm going to hit Control V because I copied my text already, or the code rather. And we'll come over here to visual, and you can see that it's kind of showing up there. I'm going to click that. I'm going to center it. I just hit the center button right there. And I'm going to update. And now I'm going to do the view post in a new tab. And there's the video. So that is how you insert videos from YouTube. It's pretty much the same with the other video services out there like Vimeo and stuff like that. You just want to make sure that you have the embed code, and then you just paste that into the blog post. Just remember that you want to do the text screen so that you can put the code there. That code. So let's do another photo. So we'll go back to all posts. And we'll do sample post number 3. We will edit. We're still on the text screen, so we're going to click the visual. Put your cursor where you want the photo. Add media, upload your files, select the files from your computer. We'll do this chalk one. And I'm just going to get rid of that text. You can have the text there if you want. I'm just going to get rid of it. It's set to center, so we'll just leave it at that. Update. View the post. I'm going to click that in a new tab. So super easy. And then you can also like put photos that you've already uploaded. You know, for example, if I wanted to add another photo, click here, add media. We'll do this one. Insert into post. That was the one that I had already uploaded, so you can just go back to your media file, or you can add new photos. We'll look at this one again. So that's how you do it. It's super simple. And in the next video, we're going to start talking about organizing your posts with the comments and tags.